Today we're diving into something every system wearer cares about: getting a natural looking hairline. We see it all the time in the community. Guys are always asking for honest feedback on their attachments. And most of the time it comes down to one thing: the front hairline. That's where people look first. If it's off even slightly, it can make the entire system feel unnatural. That's where thin skin hair systems come in, especially our HD111 and M111 models. These are two of our most natural looking options thanks to their ultra thin polyurethane base. Here is why. Both the HD111 and M111 have a base thickness of around 3 to 4 mils. When applied properly, the base practically disappears on your scalp, making it look like the hair is growing right out of your skin. The HD111 boasts an ultra-thin 4 mil polyurethane base that blends seamlessly with your scalp. It features a 95% density throughout the system, with a realistic hairline and other density across the rest of the unit to maintain a light, natural feel. Made with fine Indian Remy hair and a V-loop ventilation. It is designed as a disposable system that lasts about a month, making it perfect for those who want a fresh, clean look. The M111 features an ultra-thin skin polyurethane base that's about 3 to 4 mils thick, with a low-density 95% rim of 1 inch and 80% density of the rest of the unit. It uses soft, fine Indian Remy hair with V-loop ventilation for a natural look and versatile styling. This is also designed as a disposable unit, which means it typically lasts 4 to 6 weeks depending on care. To wrap it up, both the HD111 and M111 are great choices if you're aiming for a super realistic natural look. It's not about which one is better, it's about what suits your style, your attachment, preferences, and how you want your hair to move and feel. If you're ready to get that truly natural look with a thin skin system, check out the HD111 and M111 at superhairpieces.com. You can also contact us directly if you need help choosing the right one for your lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment below with your questions or experience, and subscribe for more hair system tips every week. See you next time!